Put your hands behind your back.
Go ahead. Stop. Taser, taser, taser.
One reckless decision, one warning ignored. Just seconds of ego and consequences hit fast.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Stop.
Side by side, they argued and ignored commands, convinced stepping in meant having each other's backs, playing the unbreakable couple.
Back up! Get back up right now. We need more help over. Don't do nothing. Do not hit me.
Stop. Back up. Stay back. Back up. Rachel, take it back. Back up. Stop.
The mood flipped fast. The officer called backup and announced a battery arrest on the spot. That rules don't apply to us. Attitude disappeared the moment the cuffs clicked on both wrists.
He's still fighting me. You ready?
Put your hands behind your back.
He charged a cop, convinced the punch was defending his rights, eyes burning like he'd found his sworn enemy. The law hit hero mode. The officer flipped the situation, slammed him down. One cold command, stay down. Action hero in his head, background character on the floor. Karma rewrote the script, and he paid for it.
I'm recording it.
The guy snapped, convinced shoving and swinging at a cop was self-defense, acting like he was beefing with an annoying neighbor.
Look at him! They need to beat his ass.
Because they want to do something to somebody anyway. You always thinking. You don't even know if I got no word. Look at Eddie. Stay in that car. You're going to pay for busting my window out. You're paying for busting out. It ain't even that damn deal. You got a warrant. No, he does. What? No, he doesn't. He got a warrant for. I'm his mother. What do we got a warrant for? Get out of my face. Now your mama. He all on video. He another one they need to put his ass too. What? Yeah. What? You got a warrant. He didn't need to be fired. He think he's so hard. Can you question me? You kicked my door in. I got something for you. Why you don't bust my window out? You're paying for my door. You're paying for my window.
You said that was confirming. Why they ain't confirmed the shit? Ain't nobody done nothing.
Reality stepped in. The officer reversed the momentum, slammed him down. Full control in seconds. His heroic resistance turned into a free floor lesson. Street fighter mindset, law compliance outcome. She snapped, thinking waving a knife at cops was just letting off steam, acting like she was fighting for justice over an unpaid bowl of noodles. But reality hit hard. Riot gear moved in, locked her down clean during that desperate struggle. Her ultimate resistance ended with facing a harsh legal reality and serious charges, and a crash course in self-control. She has a hot temper, thinking smashing a police car with a shovel was just letting off steam, acting like she was starring in some all-American family drama.
Get on the ground.
But that hero swing didn't win her anything. It earned her a felony charge. One impulsive move, and she walked away with the full legal consequences, permanently stamped on her record.
I'm not gonna do it again.
He was feeling real confident, thinking arguing and refusing to comply was standing up for his rights, talking down to the cops like he was a law professor.
You're not detaining me. Do not do this. Well, for what reason will you detain me? Tell me, reason are you detaining me?
All right.
Tell me.
Because the way you're acting,
Go.
put yourself
Is
on
that a
that.
fucking
Listen,
law?
buddy.
Hey, is that a law? You're gonna make a huge mistake.
You're gonna fucking back up. He just identified you as somebody involved.
You're gonna make a huge mistake. I was never here.
Go ahead and put the fucking phone down.
Oh yeah.
What you're gonna do is put your hands behind your back so I
You're
train
trying
you.
to trash my fucking
Listen,
phone?
what you're gonna do is turn around. Go ahead.
Reality hit fast one taser pop, his body locked up, and he face planted before he even processed it. That "I know the law" act ended on cold pavement, with consequences he didn't see coming.
Not lately, why?
Not lately? Okay. So we actually have footage of you stealing some items from Woodman's. So you are under arrest at this time, so I have you turn around and place your bag.
I'm under arrest for coming in here for that?
He confidently swung at a cop inside the station, calling it self-defense to save face.
Call my mom. 262.
Find your bag. Get your. Do it now. On your back. Do it now. He's running. Get on the ground. Do it now. Get on the ground. Get on. Do it now.
For what? I can't info.
Get on the ground.
No, let me call my mom.
Get on the ground.
You cannot do that.
Get on down. Get on the ground. Stop.
Backup rushed in, exits vanished, and the escape plan collapsed. Karma laughed. Filing a complaint turned into a free workout with police.
I'm sorry. Sir, it's too late for that. I apologize. It's too late for that, sir. Are you sure?
Drunk and smug, he went dead weight, flopping like a lazy cat, and calling it smart resistance.
Are you sure? If you want to put your car, do you want to put them on that side or on the other side?
Felony warnings and a cold reminder about his military career flipped him fast. Karma showed up. One clever move earned extra charges and a career on the line.
Are you publishing this? I hope that you're...
Drunk and fired up, she threw a punch at a cop's chest like it was some statement, turning herself into a justice speaker on an imaginary stage.
It does not matter if we're getting raped, if we're getting whatever we're going through, it's alright because our parents are gonna deal with it. It's alright because our parents are gonna deal with it. Hey! You guys are gonna deal with it.
That's it. He just punched me in the chest, so. That's it. Okay, back up, please.
But her monologue got cut short. The officer calmly goes, "You just hit me." And just like that, it's straight to handcuffs. The law doesn't debate. That little speech ended with a one-way ticket to jail. Fired up and fearless, she rushed in to block ICE, convinced she was defending justice, starring herself in a Hollywood-style hero moment.
You got her, man. Hey.
Roles flipped, agents turned the tables, restrained her, and walked her straight to the van. Reality collected. The street hero act ended with a free van ride. From interfering with a federal operation to facing the legal
Put the
fallout.
rocks down or you will be tased. Put the rocks down or you will be tased.
Chase me. Chase me.
Put the rocks down.
Rock in hand, she ignored repeated warnings, leading to a high-stakes escalation, treating it like playground nonsense. Repeated taser commands and serious legal warnings snapped the mood from playful to deadly serious.
I'm giving you an opportunity to put the rocks down. Put the... Thank you, sir. Get down! Get down! Get down! Got it. Roll over. Roll over.
That "I'm giving you a chance" moment ended with a harsh wake-up call. Escalate with a rock. Pay the price fast.
I tried to make my complaint. I tried to make my complaint.
That was bad.
I tried to make... I know I didn't tell you to get off. Whoa!
Get down on the ground.
Whoa!
Inside the police station, he shouted and wrestled, convinced that was how you demand justice, lecturing everyone like he'd cracked traffic law. The tone flipped instantly. A deputy deployed the taser, and both were on the floor before the argument could continue. That complaint visit took a sharp turn. No debate, no speeches, just a quiet reminder of where arguments don't work. Fired up, He rushed in, convinced taking down a cop was self-defense, playing street hero in a quiet neighborhood. Seconds later, patrol cars flooded the scene. The momentum flipped, and he was pinned face down on the pavement. The urban warrior fantasy didn't last long. No glory, no cheers, just asphalt in reality. Brussels city center is boiling smoke in the air. Massive protests, order hanging by a thread. One reckless move from the crowd snaps that balance, flipping the scene in seconds. This isn't a boxing ring. The camera catches the cost of impulse, and the streets answer with control. He stepped in, shoved, and started yelling, calling it protecting personal space, like he was giving a pop quiz on boundaries. There was no long debate. The officer moved in, secured him, and the noise stopped. That demand to back up didn't buy him room, just a new seat in the back of a patrol car. She thought swinging at a cop was just venting, face twisted like she was arguing with an ex. But the law hit hero mode. The officer flipped the script and responded with a swift takedown to secure the scene. Over the rail, done. Party's over. Welcome to a free respect for the law class. Tuition, one stupid swing.